under the direction of Gary Lalaki. Please, can we give a round of applause for Tonga Masani and the Ministry of Tourism. Please give another round of applause for Tonga Masani and the Ministry of Tourism. We'd like to say, guys, don't worry, do not be tired, do not be scared, because they will be performing. Oh, it's so beautiful. They will also be performing outside, 2 more items. So you don't have to worry about anything. Please, come and join us.
Another round of applause for our dancers from Ministry of Tourism. Then we invite back the boys to come forward and serenade you with one of our next dances known for the Pacific. It's always called the Mako.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And that's all we can do in serenading our special guest today. We do hope that you enjoy watching, for we have a great time performing to you. Your Honor, it's a great.
Malololei, I just wanted to take the opportunity, and actually I'm not scheduled to speak today, and that's entirely appropriate because this afternoon was meant to be all about having the opportunity to watch and listen and hear from the young people of the Kingdom of Tonga, and it's been absolutely exceptional. And you've given us a really a wonderful gift, not only by sharing your time and your talents, but to enable us to watch without having to stand up and then dance in response, which really is a gift for all of you because none of you needed to see that. So I wanted to just take a moment and on behalf of myself and the Deputy Prime Minister say thank you from the bottom of our hearts for the time and preparation that went into the performances today. And I could see how much preparation and work went into them, just by the precision of the dance, by the way that you tailored those spoken word and drama pieces to tell a story about an event that's so recent for all of you. And you know, we can sit in a room and have a lot of meetings and talk about the effects of Gita, but hearing and seeing it through your eyes is the thing that I think that we'll probably remember the most. So can I say, Malo Pito, thank you so much for your time, for looking after us so wonderfully today, for what we call Manakitanga, your hospitality. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.
What about another fun applause? And thank you very much for the Honourable Prime Minister of New Zealand.